Good afternoon, friends. In the previous classes, we have seen about fundamental physical quantities. In second video, we also learned derived physical quantities. At last, we are going to see supplementary physical quantities. So, what is the supplementary physical quantities? The physical quantities which cannot be derived from both the physical quantities which cannot be derived from both fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities. Those are called supplementary physical quantities. They are: number 1, plane angle; second one, solid angle. Plane angle, solid angle. The units of the supplementary physical quantities are called supplementary unit. Their symbol. The supplementary unit for plane angle is radian. Symbol is RAD. Solid angle supplementary unit is steradian. Symbol is SR. See friends, just we going to summarize. The thing is, fundamental physical quantities, derived physical quantities, supplementary physical quantities. All we have seen in the last 3 videos. So remember that what is the physical quantities actually? The physical quantities which can be measured. All measurable quantities. All measurable quantities are called physical quantities. Anything that can be measured. So these physical quantities are classified into three types: fundamental one, derived one, supplementary. I hope all of you understood. Kindly share and subscribe. Kindly encourage my channel so that many people see and learn many things in the physics. Thank you very much.